Hi, it's Shtu cookie. Today we are cooking chicken borscht. We will need cabbage, about half head, chicken breast fillet, very tasty, bay leaf, black pepper, and some veggies. As potatoes, take 4 pieces. Take beets, about 2 medium pieces. Also we will need tomato, 1 piece, garlic, a little bit, 1 lemon or even half. Then take 2 carrots and 3 medium-sized onions. Then we wash meat and cook the bouillon. Let's put our meat inside the water and boil the water with chicken. And then we will change the water for new one. While it's boiling, and this time I clean vegetables, beets, carrots, potatoes, also cabbage and onions. And as soon as the water with meat boils, I change the water for new one to remove any antibiotics or other not very useful substances from the soup that may be in purchased meat. If your meat is very clean and super cool, maybe you grow your meat at your house, so you may not change the water. Again, I put water to boil and add the whole onion to it. So 1 whole onion we put to the bouillon, okay? And again, you also can add some bay leaf and also black peppercorns, but do not add salt right now. It is not necessary yet. Salt we will add salt when we finish cooking soup. Now we boil water for 40 minutes, and in this time I will process my vegetables. I will use my food processor. I like it so much. And I chop beets and carrots, and for potatoes I take French fries. This super cool. I love it. While our bouillon is cooking, we make 2 roasts. So I fry vegetables with sunflower oil in a pan. First roast consists of onion, carrot and tomato and garlic. And second one is frying beets sprinkled with lemon and a little bit of sugar. You can take 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of. So we finish cut the onions for frying pan, and also we put all the vegetables and oil to the pan. You start frying first onion and carrot and tomatoes and garlic together, and then you fry everything else. When meat in the bouillon is fully cooked, we take it out into a separate bowl. I prefer to keep the meat separate from the soup and add the pieces to the finished soup before eating. And we take out everything from the bouillon and put all the vegetables inside the water. So we start boiling cabbage and potatoes together in the bouillon. If the cabbage is cut thinly, then it will cook quite quickly. It's about 15 minutes. The readiness of all vegetables is easiest to understand by taste. They should be soft and pleasant to eat. As soon as all the roast veggies are ready, we transfer them to the bouillon, which is already contains potatoes and cabbage, as you remember. Now let's transfer sugar beet in our soup, and you will see amazing color of our borscht starting to appear. And then mix everything and bring to a boil again. Close the lid and remove heat now. And let this bouillon brew for an hour. Hurrah! Our soup is ready. Now add some sour cream and put soup into a plate. Take a piece of black borodino bread and start a delicious meal. This soup is something amazing. You have never tried something like this. I bet you have to try to make it yourself. Please tell me in the comments how do you like this soup. I think it's super lovely and super tasty. Bon appetit!